So when you first come in the room, you have your motorized panels here, so you can hit these two buttons and it will open up the shears and the blackouts. Here is the bathroom. They've definitely cleaned up the bathroom. You can see they've thrown the tiling in the shower. The vanity sink has been updated. Main sleeping room space, so there's your bed and the mirrors above. There's the couch. You got your entertainment space directly across with the incidental bar. And here is your magnificent view from the room you're in right now. So for those of you who want a short version of the room, this is the new Colosseum King Tower at Caesar's Palace, the old former King Room. Now for those of you who want to see the full video, let's get into the full video. What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Caesar's Palace. Going to check out a tour of the Colosseum King in the new Colosseum Tower, which is just a remodel of the old Forum Tower, room 5701 on the 57th floor. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the room, as you can see, it is a completely renovated design as it was before, so it's definitely got a modern look. But we're going to start here on the wall because I was in here experimenting trying to find stuff, and it does have motorized panels, which they had in the older one. So I'm going to go ahead and open those up, and as you can see, the blackouts and the shears are both open, so that will definitely help with the lighting, and we definitely want that. So once you come into the room, you have your entryway, so you've got your full body mirror. We'll get there in a second. Your bathroom is immediately to the right, so we're going to start with the bathroom. And as you can see, it is a really nice looking bathroom. You can see the tiling and the countertops. They've definitely put an updated modern look to it, so clean countertops. You've got your single mirror here and single vanity sink. Now they still have the massive shower as they had in the old room. So they've just updated the tiling, and honestly reminds me a lot of the Palace Tower. So the tiling that they did when they made the Palace Tower, this definitely reminds me of that. But you do have your bench, so that's very convenient for those who like that. And then you have your shower head with an extendable shower head. So I believe the other one had a rainfall shower, and then this one just has this one with the extendable shower head, but that is cool as well. And so your closet and water closets are both in the bathroom. So for all of those who need that vanity mirror, y'all know they always keep those vanity mirrors. If you need to glamify yourself, that's always there for you. You'll definitely get that. Behind this door is the actual water closet. It is in here, and then there is a switch on the wall. And as you can see, all of the tiling and wallpaper has been updated. Very clean, nice looking room. This is very modern. It looks a little fun, you know, like a cool little party vibe with that wallpaper. And then this is your closet. So the closet for the room is in the bathroom. I don't think that's a big deal to most, but you got your ironing board and your luggage rack down there. And then all of your towels are behind the door here. So very nice looking bathroom. Definitely cleaned it up. As y'all can see on the floor, it's definitely got that Caesar's flooring. And then of course you've got your full body mirror, so when you need to check yourself out before you hit this strip, you always can do so because you gotta stay fresh. But we are now in the main part of the room. It is a very clean looking room. So no more dated towers at Caesar's Palace. All of them are clean. So you've got your king bed here, nice size, comfortable bed. And on both sides you have the outlet chargers. So you've got USB and standard charging. Now this one, I noted they started adding a lot of these to the Caesar's properties because I've noticed them in Horseshoe and Planet Hollywood. But this is a fast charging. So whether you have an iPhone or any device with fast charging, that's on there. You've got standard and USB there as well. And then you've got your drawers bedside. And of course, across from the TV, you have your entertainment space. We got the playoffs going on. So Knicks Pacers game 1 in full effect, but you got your nice flat screen TV here. And then you've got what I like to call the incidentals bar, because you know you get charged your incidentals. But if If you want to buy anything from the room, you can just grab it off the sensor. It will charge the card used at check-in. So you've got those that is not complimentary, in case you didn't know. Behind here, you have your in-room safe. So we know how important it is of locking stuff up. You know, people have had their issues. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you got your in-room safe there instead of in the closet. And then behind this set of doors, you have your drawer. So if you need storage, you've got plenty of storage. And as you can see, you do have a couch here. So if you got some guests, they can sit down and relax on the couch. You know, some people need to crash and pass out, depending on how tall you are. You know, might work if you're short. It'll be perfect. This does come with a key rig. This was just a standard book room, but key rig coffee maker did come in here. And so as you see, you've got your dining room table and your ice bucket of cups. And then this is your phenomenal view from the Colosseum Tower. Just views of other rooms in this tower. So no strip view, no fountain view, just Colosseum view. But it's cool. And as you saw earlier, the blackout and shades are motorized because the panels used to be on this side in the older room. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.